Micromachining is far from new, but the sheer volume of products and industries requiring micro-machined components is rapidly increasing. Complexity is growing while the sizes of components are shrinking. Micromachining is a niche within the machine shop industry that provides point-on accuracy, short runs, condensed lead times and significant quick-turn prototyping. One of the largest challenges in micromachining is finding cutting tools that can withstand high RPMs, tolerate long cycles while holding precise repeatability. Miniature, complex parts are much easier to make than they have been in the past. Industries that require micro-machined parts are now partnering with a micro-manufacturing company with wide-ranging equipment such as micro-machine centers, CNC mills, and multiple types of turning centers with multi-axis capabilities. Industries such as medical, aerospace, automotive and semiconductor can slash their time to market while keeping up with the ever-changing technical challenges they face. The differences now show increase in volume requiring micro-machining, the engineered composite materials used that can hold up. While many machine shops attempt to expand into micro-machining, it takes years of experience working with the exotic materials to be able to deliver as expected. Here are many challenges that impact the micro-machining process. Systems and equipment have been developed to accommodate the demands of the industry for more production capacity. These advancements in technology and equipment have made the micro-machining process more affordable. The lathes and mills are smaller in size with the base and column cast from a proprietary granite copolymer composite. These composites appear to offer higher vibration damping than traditional cast iron. It's the demand for these micro-machined short-run items or prototypes